Hello, my YouTube subscribers and followers and faithful, and to my new subscribers and those on my Facebook page, friends list. I'm doing another unboxing video. Would be my third or fourth one, but this will be done for this company from this package. I got from Bad Ass Collectibles. The website will be in the description below, somewhere around that general area. And I ordered from that company the RWBY comics that I don't have. And I ordered this June 2nd, which was a Tuesday, but I just got them today, which would be 10 days I have gotten this. I ordered it from Bad Ass Collectibles, and I purchased the $14.95 expedited processing and handling fee. But apparently they chose they got me the lowest postage rate. I wanted it last week, but I didn't get it last week. I got it today. So without any further ado, I'm going to open it up right now. Pair of scissors. They really did pack them in. It is really packed in. Hold on. Yes, they did. Sheesh. And okay. Yeah, they bagged and board them. Nice. Thank you. Bad Ass Collectibles. I have the, whoa. This will be 4, 5, 5, Okay, here we go. Issue 4. I must admit something. Art Germ, Stephen Stanley Lau, one hell of an artist. He is one of the greatest artists that I have ever known. He is by far one of the greatest art. He's a god. He's a god among gods in comic book art and fantasy, sci-fi art. And yes, that's my girls, Yang and Blake. I'm a bee shipper. That's issue 4. Issue 5. The sisters, Ruby and Yang. And number 6. Blake and the girls from all the girls from RWBY. It took 10 days to get those books, so I am really sort of angry and disappointed that I got them today, which I was supposed to get them yesterday, but that's beside the point. That's another story altogether. So this is my unboxing or unpackaging video of the RWBY comics that I don't have. Now I have all the RWBY comic books now. So I'm going to take this time to say goodbye. I'll be posting more videos of my thoughts and feelings of what's going on in the world soon. But I want to say thank you to my viewers. Thank you for my new viewers that would come in. Thank you to my friends and family on Facebook who watch this video, if you do come over to Facebook, to YouTube. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment. The subscription button will be right there. The subscription button will be there, and the bell icon. Oh, the button for the subscription button and the bell icon will be down there. Click on those two, and click on the bell icon for new notifications of new videos that I post in the future. I want to say thank you, and goodbye.